Do you believe in love at first sight?
No, not really, because love for me is a very strong term, and I think you really need to know a person because getting into something serious which involves love. So, yeah, I don't believe in love at first sight.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yeah, maybe. No, I don't believe in first sight.
And why?
I don't consider at love at first sight usually नहीं true होता हमें आगे चलते फिरते किसी से भी प्यार हो सकता है तो I don't think अच्छा लग सकता है बट प्यार नहीं हो सकता उस इंसान से.
What about you?
लव एट फर्स्ट साइट मेरे को बिलीव नहीं होता उस पर, क्योंकि लव एट फर्स्ट साइट वो होता है कि जैसे आप अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो किसी के थ्रू, तो अट्रैक्शन नेवर लास्ट. तो मेरे हिसाब से नहीं, लव एट फर्स्ट
Do
साइट.
you believe in love at first sight?
No, I don't.
Why?
It's the same thing. It's all about the genuine connection. I think you need to know the person very well if you want to date that person. Because just looking at someone, or I don't think it's not all about attraction or something. I think there should be a genuine connection for that.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Personally, no, because see, at first sight you can only get attracted to a person because you know only by their looks.
Right.
You know them by their looks only. So, love क्या होता है actually में when you know that person and you are ready to accept all their flaws.
Yeah.
कि you know them inside out and उसके बाद भी अगर तुम उस इंसान को चूज करते हो खुद के लाइफ में तो that is love. That is what love is. And उस सब चीज़ों के बाद you know कि हाँ इस इंसान पे I would never give up. तो वही प्यार है ना. तो I don't think love at first sight exists. It's like attraction at first sight. Then you can get to know each other. अगर सारे आपको जो चाहिए उस इंसान से अगर उसमें है और उसमें अगर वो चीज़ें नहीं है तो आप उस इंसान को वैसे ही एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए रेडी हो तो फिर वो शायद लव में कन्वर्ट हो सकता है. वरना आई डोंट थिंक कि लव एट फर्स्ट साइट
Do
एग्जिस्ट.
you believe in love at first sight?
येस,
Why?
लव एज फर्स्ट साईड बघून कधी पण एकदम असं ऑस्पिशियस वाटतं कधी पण. आणि मी हिच्यासोबत जेव्हा बघितलं तिला तर लव एज फर्स्ट साईडच झालं होतं माझं.
अच्छा.
सो आय थिंक लव एज फर्स्ट साईड इज अ बेस्ट अमंग ऑल.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
No,
And why?
कभी हुआ ही नहीं है.
Why नहीं है?
नहीं, लव एट फर्स्ट साइट हुआ नहीं है.
What about you?
बिल्कुल नहीं, कभी हुआ ही नहीं ऐसा. लव एट फर्स्ट साइट नहीं हुआ मुझे भी. इट्स लाइक इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्वालिटीज ऑफ अ पर्सन. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि किसको भी देख के ऐसा लव हो जाता है. इट डिपेंड्स. फॉर मी इट
Do you
डिपेंड्स.
believe in love at first sight?
या
And why?
I told you na that I believe in wife. Then wife can be like you can vibe with anyone within 10 seconds. So I believe that.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yes, I do.
And why?
Because that happens.
That happened. What about you?
I don't believe in that.
And why?
It hasn't happened with me till now. I don't believe in that. I don't think I can fall in love with someone just by seeing him for the first time.
What about you?
I don't think so.